Hey there, welcome to Fencepost Fig. Let's get after it. This is Fencepost Fig, where we take a backyard full of neglect and a forest's worth of overgrowth and turn it into a veritable Garden of Eden. We're constantly under construction. Got a lot of work to be done. It's got potential though. This yard sure has got enough to keep us plenty busy. But we always have time for friends. Now, if that ain't foreboding, I don't know what is. Bit of overgrowth, but pretty sky though. Say what you will, this yard's definitely got some soul. There's life in this yard yet. There's an energy to it. Follow us on our journey as we steward this land from the smallest flowers to the fruiting orchards, all the way to the biggest trees and beyond.